In this video, I'm going to go over what you get when you purchase or rent the Calibore from GWI. Calibore is manufactured by Norwolf out of New Jersey, and you have 5 different models to choose from depending on what your diameter of the bolts are that you're going to be testing. The Calibore can be used for both your pre-installation verification tests, also known as PIV, or it can be used for your rotational capacity tests, which is also known as the ROCAP. Alright, let's take a look inside. You'll get a calibration certificate, the user guide, and then the Calibore itself. I'm going to set these aside for now to show you some of the unique features of the case. You can see here that I've got some slots here for the plates, and then when you remove the foam that the Calibore actually comes in, you can see that down below you've got room for some spacer kits and some bushings. Norwolf manufactures 5 different models of the Calibore, which you can purchase or rent from GWI. So what we have in front of us is the Calibore 125, which most of these accessories here, like these bushings, these spacer kits, this adapter, the plate, and the adapter here will all fit this specific model in front of us. These two here and this plate will actually fit the larger models. So depending on what type of bolt you're going to be testing, we've got 2 options for your bushings: a hex bushing or a TC bushing. When you have different lengths that might be longer than what your bushings are capable of, we've got bushing adapters, and we have spacer kits. And with every one of these accessories, you're always going to need a plate. One thing to keep in mind when you do purchase the Calibore from GWI, the Calibore unit itself is the only thing that comes inside the case. All of your accessories will be purchased separately, so please don't hesitate to reach out to one of the salespeople to make sure that all of the accessories that are needed for your project are purchased as well. This is a Calibore manufactured by Norwolf.
What's a case?
This is a case. What did I say? I said case. This is the case with the Calibore inside it.